We can now begin to customize your site using Elementor's simple drag and drop interface. I'll link to my recent Elementor tutorial where I go into detail about how this works, but let me show you the very basics here so you can get an idea of what's possible. Before we continue, I'm going to close this tab, the Infinity Free control panel, and this one as well. Then in this top bar, click Edit with Elementor. And you can see this is a little slow. That's one of the downsides about free hosting. All right, so here, the page never loaded, at least on the Chrome guest profile. You can see that Elementor is offering some troubleshooting tips. One way I found to work around this is to open an incognito window. So here I have my URL typed out in an incognito browser. And I'm going to type in WP admin at the end of this search. Click enter. Here I'll enter my login information like we've done before, and I'll click login. That brings us back to the WP admin panel. And if you want to edit your site in Elementor from here, you can go to pages. And then if we hover over any of the individual pages, we can click edit with Elementor here. And as you can see, this does finally load when using an incognito browser. So this is one of the quirks that you might experience when you use free hosting. These are not issues that I typically experience with any other paid host.